Okay, so after you raise and support your vehicle, the next thing you want to do is remove your lug nuts. Remove your wheel. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is remove this locking clip. Pull it off of there. There it is. Set that aside. Next, we're going to remove this 18mm nut. Spray this area with some penetrant. Now you're going to use your hammer, and you're going to hit right on the knuckle. We're going to spray this area with some penetrating spray. Use some nice long pliers. Break through this jam nut. So next we're going to take off our outer tie rod end, and we're going to count the turns. 15, 20. 20 turns. We're going to use a 24mm socket to get this jam nut off of here. It's always a good idea to use some copper never seize on your threads. Let's install this lock nut. Okay, let's install our outer tie rod end. When we removed the other one, it was approximately 20 turns, so here we go. Take off this nut. Let's bottom this out. Now we'll torque it to 35 foot-pounds. Torqued. Take your cotter pin, put it through, and then of course bend it so there's no way that it can come out of there. All right, let's get our wheel up onto the vehicle. Start one of our lug nuts. Do the same to the other four. All right, let's bottom out our lug nuts. We'll torque these to manufacturer's specifications. Let's torque these to 100 foot-pounds.